Hey you guys, it's me, Tokyo. I'm about to rap. The instrumental I'm using is Dreams Money Can't Buy by Drake. This is my real life story. So yeah, I hope y'all feel it. Alright. Mommy, can I make it after all of my mistakes? After all the pain, after all the heartaches? Can I ask my daddy? Fuck, I never had a daddy or a man to bring me up, but at least I had my family. Growing up was kinda tough. Bitches always had to fight me cause I held my head high. All they niggas wanna wife me. Confidence the key, even though I had no money. Dressed poor and dressed bummy. Felt I had no one to love me. Now they love me and it's crazy cause shit, I ain't even made it. But I got ambition, so one day I'm gonna be famous. Hope the nigga that touched me when I was little can replay this, so I can tell him fuck you, I hate you. Faggot maggot bitch, I'm on top. Touch me now, you'll get shot with the clip. I'm ready for whatever, I wanna be fortunate. And my dreams to have it all, cause I never had shit but a gay mom that got fucked with strapped on dicks. Sorry mom for all this, didn't mean to be explicit. I'm just being honest, on my ass they can kiss it. At least you changed it up and you serve a righteous God, but it's too late for me mom. I done seen it all, I've been through hell and back and it's not over yet. Gotta keep my life intact before I fall in the pit. I'm trying to save myself, I don't got nobody else. Tired of being low, I wanna be rich with album sales. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Alright. Second verse. Dead, no one to hold me. Spirits try and control me. I'm praying to the most holy to heal and protect my soul. I got skeletons in my closet, no one to understand. Falling without a hand, no use to having a man cause they all lie. And just like we all try, but why do we try living when our destiny's to die? And why do we try smiling in the inside we gon' cry? Living in sin, we pray to Lord to help us stay alive. I'm tired of living thinking every day will I survive. These bitches is hating, running face, they always trying to fight. These niggas is lying, telling me they love me just to leave. I thought you was real, but I'm guessing it's my fault and it's on me. So now I'm ready to go and lay my head to rest. Hands crossed right upon my chest in a pretty white dress. I'm hoping to be happy, but I'm scared, I must confess, cause I'm pretty sure that no one knows what's coming after death. Dreams that money can buy, the dream of achieving. And all I got is me, myself, and I, and nobody else around me to believe it. Now don't fuck with me.